Russia intercepted 68 Ukrainian drones overnight from Friday to Saturday in its southern Krasnodar region and over annexed Crimea, the Defense Ministry announced on Saturday. The ministry said 66 of the drones were shot down over Krasnodar and the 2 others over the Crimean Peninsula. Meanwhile, Russia has attacked Ukrainian energy facilities in 3 regions, damaging equipment and injuring at least 1 energy worker, Ukrainian Energy Minister German Galushenko said. Galushenko said on the Telegram messaging app that the Russian strikes targeted the Dnipro-Petrovsk region in central Ukraine and the western regions of Lviv and Ivano-Frankivsk. Ukraine's air defense has shot down 21 of 34 Russian missiles fired in an overnight attack, the commander of the Ukrainian Air Force said. Mykola Oleshchuk said Ukrainian fighter planes, air defense missile units, mobile fire groups, and means of radio-electronic warfare were involved in repelling the Russian missile strikes. Amidst the ongoing offensive, the Pentagon said it will rush Patriot air defense missiles and artillery ammunition to Ukraine as part of its new military aid package. The US will utilize $6 billion for this purpose, Defense Secretary Lloyd Austin revealed on Friday. However, Patriot systems for launching the missiles will not be sent. Ukrainian President Volodymyr Zelensky said Patriots were urgently needed to face a growing Russian air threat and can and should save lives right now. According to sources, the $6 billion was part of a $60 billion aid package signed into law by US President Joe Biden on Wednesday, which also includes $1 billion in more immediate aid. Ukraine only has a handful of Patriots to complement other Western missile defense systems and existing stocks of Soviet-era surface-to-air missiles, such as the S-300. They are the most capable and expensive air defense systems that Ukraine has. Each Patriot battery costs around $1 billion and each missile costs nearly $4 million. Germany has already promised an extra Patriot system, and its defense and foreign ministers appealed to the European counterparts early this month to respond urgently.